It is about to go down. Alright guys, so today we'll do something great. So summer's coming, NFL season's right around the corner. So you may be asking yourself, what can I do on the Traeger? I'll be hosting maybe, who knows? But this is easy, it's quick, and it's very delicious. So we're having Little Smokies. So these Little Smokies are beef, they're smoked sausages, just in little tiny pieces. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add barbecue sauce on them right off the bat, so they can cook with the barbecue sauce. But this is great when you're hosting, especially, and you don't have time. You want something quick, and this is something that's going to be a hit. And I like it because it's so simple. Simple. You just put them all in there. Like that. So these, I get this at Walmart. They have the little package if it's just yourself, or this big package if you want to do something with other people, you know, or you're invited to a party, you want to bring something quick and it's delicious. So we're going to have some Sweet Baby Ray's. Just going to add it all in there. Now that should be good enough. Now just give it a little mixed up like that. Okay. Now you got some barbecue in there. So what we're gonna do, so we're gonna cook these at 275. They shouldn't take too long. I'm gonna say 45 minutes total. I'm just guessing here. But we're going to find out today. So 275, let's fire up that Traeger. All right, our Traeger is up to 275. Time to put it in. We'll be back in 45 minutes. So actually it's been 30 minutes, and I came back in 30 minutes so I can stir it and kind of keep an eye on it. And so far it looks good. It's getting that look that we want. And so we'll be back in about 15 more minutes. All right, so we are back. It's been 45 minutes total, and they look great. They're done and they're ready to come out, so let's take it inside. All right, we are done. They look good. They look great. And you can the smell the barbecue already in there. You have a little bit of that smoke flavor incorporate in there. Not a lot, but there's just a little hint there. But you know it's good because it's about to go down. Let's try it. So either you can Another idea to serve this is you can have little toothpicks and just put them all, each and every single one of them. It takes a little bit of time, but that's if you want to be a little extra. You can do that. If not, just put them in a bowl like this or in a plate bowl and have people come and serve themselves. That's also great. But I love these. Mm. Mm. Oh man, I'm telling you guys, try these at a little shindig that you do at home. If you guys want to try it yourselves before you do with other people, go ahead. But this will be a hit. Like I said, it's quick and it's easy. It frees you up a little bit more earlier when you're watching the game. You don't have to be in the grill most of the time. We all know that. We're in the grill the whole time. But with this, you can do a lot in a short amount of time. Mm. Mm. You're able to add more barbecue sauce if you want some, right? More barbecue sauce, which I always do. Once I put them in my plate, add a little bit more on the side so you can just dip it a little bit. But if you guys don't like barbecue sauce and just do it like this, great. Also, another idea, you can add this in a chili. When you make chili, add this on a chili and it makes it really good. I've done that already. Great. So if you guys like what I did today, if you guys are tempted to doing this, try it. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys hit that bell notification right there. And if you guys want to be a pal, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, because there's more great content coming, and you guys do not want to miss this. And don't forget these videos. Sup. Try these guys out. This little guy right here, give him a little touch. Little hee hee hee. We'll see you guys next time.